Cock it up, it play a shake. When you clap it up, not AK.
You know shake. Boom. Ah, that bad. Bow. What's good to be said boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Right now we got Jada Kingdom featuring Skillibeng Tek. I go right after about Skillibeng me Ben. I see you on Instagram. Them catch you. But you slap woman body. I see you slap Jada Kingdom body. Let me tell you this. Let me tell you this. I filming woman from last year. Don't do it. My mad already. Remember how little boy in a bath for the woman, bath on the water, soap up in a hey, let me tell you this. I want to be able to step on this woman Jada Kingdom, you know. I don't do it, you know. In every video, I claim her, you know. Them just come back in a one-time video with a boy, I say, man, I go, hey! And I'm saying, you Skillibeng, boy, you slap woman for that, hey, Skillibeng. You look nervous, though. Keep me see in your face, you're nervous. So don't do it. Oh, yeah. No. That not play. But anyways, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Russian boss, straight out of Jamaica. I hope you are doing very, very, very beautiful today. Comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post, and I'll post every single day, right? Yes, so please do that right now. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are not yet subscribed. We're trying to reach 30,000 subscribers before the end of the year. But the major goal is 100K. So please hit that subscribe button in the face. Tell a friend about the reaction. Boss, right now you just click on the most lit video on YouTube if you are not yet subscribed. If you're new, this is the most lit channel. This is the most lit video you're watching right now. Look in the comment section, you're going to see all fire emojis. Even if it's a girl, so you're going to see all fire emojis. So play your part and comment the fire emojis. Then that's the trend around here. Fire emojis and a like button when you click on Tyrekevlogs video. You don't know it sharp. And make sure you look at your comment over there, so. If you see it, big up yourself. Comment on that one. See you one, next one. You don't chop? Alright, right now we got Jada Kingdom featuring Skillibeng. Take it. Go see what go on. It been out for a minute too. But we just never watch it yet. I'm mad already because Skillibeng day night. Press play. Can't go light.
Is that?
No, hold on. Can't go light. No, hold on. Jada Kingdom. Can't go light up already and thing. Rose, flowers.
Eastside. Him ask oh me one tick so like me no data.
Calm down my bum. You think you're gonna try that? Don't be no winner. You know some extra man in the video, but I go and want everybody and show me a little big body and make me go and behave myself, you know.
Service neat and ink up. Natural man and in a search. You love how me no mix up. Don't have no controversy down.
She step on a thing like a this dog. She step on a thing like a this with the cheeks. Youth. And my wife that. She step on a thing with the cheeks them like this dog. Blood clot. And every girl can do that. She like you get what I know boy. Go on now, baby.
It's like Cisco when anybody touch my cervix. But now you feel say me have a squeeze underneath exclusive.
Bumbo clock, this boy a pick up grip. You try to walk in your torpedo for the year and walk go 1,000 miles. You hear me telling you torpedo for the year? Go and walk in that. Because you know where you walk, go.
Peace and enough man be. And the way my kiss it off make you no one leave. You have to look
Jada Kingdom no. Babes. You don't find me and I feel it with grape. You try going back and walk in here, type in the video, the bag of man back here, no. Go walk in here, type in the video, the bag of man look up in the back here, no. Oh.
my eyes and tell me how you feel. Take it, me set it, you're right, that's all. Me now for ask if you in love with you.
No, when man cheap on no, no something talk about man no loyal, you know. When man cheap on no talk about man no bumbuck be loyal, you know. It's alright. Oh, if you don't watch the video, though, me pausing it, give me a reaction, which you don't click on the video for. Link to the original song is going to be in the description down below. Go watch it for yourself. Go on.
I can't run out of love. Your mind, no girl can drape me.
No, that.
Take it.
You take off your jaws a while ago. Who you take it off for? I hope on the Skillibeng you take it off for. Because I beat up your bumbuck like now. You try to be yourself, little girl. Right now, I'm going to buy a spaceship. Jeep. Spaceship. For me, driving now. I the place I get grape from and I take off jazz in that video and
Said it, you're right, that's all. You're not the ox with me in love. I'm so addicted to your fuck you.
I them something I like. That's what I'm married to you now. But no, 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 why you go on so? I take off jazz for Skillibeng. Yeah, my Skillibeng I feel very grape. But to make him nervous. Him fear for touch her. That's a good thing for me. Make them boy nervous, yeah, my friend. I mean I love you beat people boom chicks on my night time. Yeah. Now go on. Pam back a bit.
You are mine and no bitch can drape me.
Airplane, so me cocky lift up, stay there.
No, why you cocky? Of course, I Jada Kingdom. Of course, I lift up like an airplane. But guess what? Guess what? Go on. I saw my bad man friend them from China for come cough by you.
Cock it up, it play a shake. When you clap it up, not ear care.
You're not shake. That bad. But sadly, people, I don't have my done light in my car, so no flame today. So let's come in the fire emotion. What do you mean I say? Yeah. Go on, but airplane. Eh. Watching me nervous like a blood clot. Watch you in the background.
Chat me up, how you want? Thick so. Love a little space here between foot for me big hood with a wine them in love.
My nervous is a sheer. That's for reach, man. You feel just turn up and can't do nothing. Or else you better airplane and lift up. A year and just on the stage and look. Because if you touch I myself and bad man friend from China, if you come cough fire. Alright. Go on.
But I shake so when it bounce you make it jump.
Take it.
She said right there so when your spine bend up everything.
Alright, yes. Me blood clot. You got on my bed now, you know? Yes. I wake up too early this morning. And then bumble class up when I put on music video for me watch. Skillibeng, I come for your case now, brother. Them girls need to forget the reaction boss the right and proper way Skillibeng. Big up yourself and jump with the make. Anybody who want to take it the wrong way, go sub it to Marjorie in Spanish. Figure what that mean. Go on.
In my mind, set up.
Yeah.
Your wine better.
Yeah.
I'm like your tongue.
You talk to the girls, them. Make them know so everybody lift up like a airplane who see them. You hear me I say. Make the girls so like you when them sit with them tongue and go on a bag of things with them tongue. Make them so like when them shake them body Skillibeng, you mean? Represent for the girl them. You hear me I say. And guess what? So, like torpedo, alright, go on, get plate, alright.
You feel say me have a squeeze underneath. Exclusive piece and enough man beat. And the way I'ma kiss it off, make you no one leave. You full
talk, baby, me no want to live for that talk. Me like the way you kiss it off properly. You do it right way. You see, me not even want to go again because it just tired me out. You know, you ever get ahead in life from the man, you ever get ahead in life, brother, and you don't want to do nothing for the rest of the day. You're just done for. You just want to sleep. I drop me, I make me a virgin. Go. But a big... Yeah, the man then. A big woman. You ever beat the John Fair, a big woman. They know what they do that. What client? I drop me, I make.
looking at my eyes and tell me how you feel. Take it, me said it. You're
No,
right, that's all.
You know the past Skillibeng Laps done a while ago, Jada Kingdom. You done the past Skillibeng Laps done a while ago, Jada Kingdom. You done the past Skillibeng Lap, Jada. Run tune. You don't. Me not see up on him lap, you know? Me never see up on him lap a while ago, no? Oh.
Me now for ask if you in love.
Yeah.
With you, my
Watch your blood
can't run
clot,
out of
yes.
love. Your man, no girl can dream.
Skillibeng, I'm sorry, dog, but from the Instagram clip, but I say, you know, say I come and watch it, react to that video and pick by your blood clot. Hey, Skillibeng. Generally, you pick up yourself, you see me? Love the young dog, get me a girl number. class.
Hit me up, take it, me set it. You're right, that's all. You're not for ask if me in love. I'm
now watch the rest of the blood clot video. I feel like you can't violate the bumbo class. You can't violate it, man, sir. If you're bumbo clot, put the face so close to man bumbo belt pants. You can't violate the bumbo clot. Use them, sir. Man, but shot for them thing there, no. And if you wine for man, and make it, me get the proper 3 hour and that, you want bumbo clot, make him talk shit. 3 hour artist, you know. I'm see you in a music video, you know, after the little thing, but that you pass the bumbo clot. Hey, all your man, I'm not 100 because I'm just some blood clot. Hey, brother, how some man talk to some girl with some model and some. You know, some go and thing, how man do it? Because me couldn't do it a blood clot.
so addicted to you, fuck you are mine, and no bitch can drape me up.
Hey, oh yeah, me like that, but me vex. Some blood. Some blood. Me done with it. Me done with the whole now. Me done. Like out the bumbo club with the subscribe for more Chef and Boss. I'm out.